Then check this out. Ready now?
Hey people, Gary here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be talking about promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're only going to be using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, as in 3, 5, 7, or even 10 accounts. I've seen some people with 10 accounts, but we only using one account because you guys are beginners. You're just trying it out. You want to see if you can get some sales, guys. And I'm just going to show you my results from doing the exact same method that I'm going to show you how to do. Okay, guys? So anyway, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business in general. It's because it's affiliate system. It's affiliate system at 80% recurring commission, guys. 80% recurring commissions is insane. That means your sales are so important. Like, your sales are much more valuable because it can build income, so to speak. All right, guys, and this is the best system to promote on the planet right now because I haven't seen anything even close to this. All right, guys, so anyway, we're going to show my results here. I'm going to refresh my page. Don't believe results if they don't refresh the page, guys. Always remember that. So anyway, let's do that. All right, guys, it looks like I did not get a sale yesterday, but that's totally fine because I got a rebill. Now that's the cool thing about this system, so to speak. Like, you can sign in, you don't even need that many sales, guys. Honestly, this has been my best month. Yeah, I made over $1,000 this month with this system, and my last sale was on the 15th, guys. That's the last time I got in a sale. Everything else has been rebills. So it's stacking up. It's clearly stacking up. And I'm using a very simple method to do this. But you guys could like full charge this if you want to. I just want to make YouTube videos showing you the simplest method I have ever found making money online. Absolute simplest method. It's so easy to do. So that's the reason why I'm showing it and why I'm doing this experiment in general. All right, guys. So first off, what I want you guys to do is there's going to be a link in the description that says the $25 business. Now, if you're interested in following along, guys, this is what you need to do. Click on that, right? And once it say step 1, My Lead Gen Secrets. No, step 1, the $25 business, something like that. And you click on it, it should take you to a page that looks something like this. And what this does is essentially tells you about the $25 business. I'm sorry, I'm getting tongue twisted here. And it just tells you how much money you can make, all that good stuff and all that, right? So you interested, you decide, hey, I'm interested. You click on one of the green buttons here. It's gonna take you to a page where there's a video explaining what you are about to purchase here. It's about a minute long. All right, guys, and then it's just explaining what you're purchasing, not trying to trick anybody. All right. So anyway, once you do that, you get to a page that looks something like this. This right here, this is where you purchase the product, right? And you put all your information in and purchase the product at $25, right? Now, one thing I want to speak on real quick, and that's this HBA Premium. What this basically do is teach you how to get traffic, get people to look at your product and purchase your product, set up ads, stuff like that, right? And what it's constantly updated with new info. Got an emerging content machine now that teaches you, that makes content for you once you ask it for it and stuff like that. It's what it is. It's $125 a month, but you can get it for free for the first 2 weeks if you click on my link in the description below, guys. So now, one thing I want to speak on for this particular product, you have to own the product to get the commission, guys. So what that means is you have to have the product to make money from it. So for example, you purchase the $25 business, but you do not get this right here, right, guys? And suddenly you get somebody in the system and they do get the $25 business and this. Now, what will happen is you will get the $20 from the $25 here, but you will not get the $100 for the $125 here, guys. It'll just go to the company. So I advise you to at least try the 14 days, guys. And if you get a sale, just keep it. Because you only need about 2 people to cover the cost anyway. So it's not like a ton of money every month. Like I say, I made over $1,000 this month, guys. It's working for me, like, easily. So once you do that, guys, You want to go, you're going to pull up to a page that looks something like this. You're going to look something like this with these up the top here. This is another product you can also purchase, guys. Well, the Freedom Literacy Academy. It's going to be $500 for the first 3 days, and then it goes up to $1,000. So I purchased it when it was $500 right away, but I understand if you don't want to do that and just wait till you start making money, then purchase it for $1,000 later on. I think is a good idea as well. So either way, if you want to do it, you do it. And that's how you make money with this product. You got to have the product. This is a one-time big high ticket sale. You know what I mean? Make a lot of money with this in the product. But anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. Once you click on, once you get to this page though, you click on Affiliate Zone. We're gonna get back to it here. Now understand something. Videos, there's videos on absolutely everything I'm showing you here. I'm just doing it in a much more streamlined way, so to speak. So you click on sign up for the affiliate program here, and blah blah, and you just type in your information, all that good stuff. It's a very simple process. Don't take no time at all. Now you can log into your SAM card, guys. Log into your SAM card. What SAM card gonna do is take it to a page that looks something like this. Now, if you know, this page here is essentially the page that got all your links here, and this is the link that you're gonna use, the all-in-one $25 business. This is the link you want to copy, guys. Now, once you have your link, all right, guys, there's a link in the description with step 2 or something like that that says My Lead Gen Secrets. You want to click on that. You click on that, it'll take you to a page that looks something like this. Now, what he's gonna do, you can watch the video where he's gonna explain what the My Lead Gen Secrets is, but essentially what long story short, My Lead Gen Secrets gives you 100 leads every single day. Now, they're cold leads, but they're interested in making money online. All right, guys, and they're real leads. I've tested this for a while. I've been making a ton of money with this. So what you want to do is use my secret now. You click on that and you enter your email address, all your information, right, guys? And then you log in. You log in here. I did your affiliate. My bad. You log in. Once you make your account anyway, you log in. And making your account is the simplest thing in the world. You already know how to do it, I promise. But anyway, you can click on my leads. You can look at your leads and stuff. They got, email, all that good stuff. All the information you need to contact them or whatever. And master email swipes. I advise you do not purchase the master email swipes. Let me tell you guys, if you do purchase the master email swipes, I will get a commission for it, but I recommend you don't purchase them because I show you a ton of emails anyway. So you'll have a ton of emails to use. And I'm showing you the emails that's working for me. All right, guys, these are emails that are working for me and making me money. So it should work for you in theory. So we're going to click on mailing system here. And what you want to do is select all. And we're just going to click on my next email here. In particular, I'm gonna give you guys time to copy it, of course. Well, I'm at here. All right, we're right here. So we load up this email here. This is the email that we own. It says unleash your inner entrepreneur for just $25. Okay, very simple, very easy. Hey, first name fits. Are you ready to turn your dream to blah blah blah? $25 one digital package, blah blah blah. It's a very short, easy email. Short emails tend to work better and they're very much easier to write. So stick to short emails. You don't want to write a epic novel or anything like that. People lose interest at a certain point. So those, with short attention spans, we living in a world with short attention spans. You don't want to do stuff like that. All right, so that's a very short email, so to speak. Very easy to do. Now what you want to do is click on perfect timing here. You can copy that email. You can pause the video, copy that email, no problem. Anyway, put your link in right here. Make sure the perfect timing. Make sure to preview it. Make sure your link works, guys. Check your link. Make sure it works. Mine works, so it's fine. And that's all there is to it, guys. You send an email and you're done. It's all. You're done. It's over. Finito. Very simple process, as I spoke on before. and you're done. And it's a very easy and concise way to figure out how to make money online in the simplest way ever. Once you got a ton of leads in your emails here, once you got a ton of emails in, we get all my emails in here in the system saved up for you guys. You don't even have to do anything but just log in, click on the email, send it. That's it. That's all you'll have to do. And you start getting sales online, guys. So yeah, this is an easy method. This is the absolute easiest method to get sales online, guys. I have not found anything simpler than this. It's the easiest method. All right. So that's all there is to that, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Links in the description, like I spoke on before, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.